In this video, you will learn to prepare artwork for a 32mm button badge using the free Canva account. We will insert downloaded graphics image into the artwork. We will also demonstrate how to remove the background of the image so that the design is much more presentable. Let's search for a nice graphics image to use for the badge artwork. I will search Merly as I like to make a cute button badge with Merly. Right-click to save image. In Canva.com, create a design with dimension 44 by 44 mm. Insert a circle with dash line from elements. If you don't see it in your recently used section, type in dash circle in the search bar. Scroll till you see it in the list. Resize this circle to 32mm diameter, position it in the center of the canvas space and lock it. Let's upload Merly into Canva via the upload section. Now you can drag Merly into the design space. Resize, reposition and send it backward. Add a background to your design. You will notice the white background of Merly is blocking the background design. If we have a pro account in Canva.com, we can use the background remover to remove the white background. Since we are using a free account, we need another website to help us. Go to inpixio.com, scroll down to select their online tools for remove background. Upload the Merly's image. Click the red negative button, pick a few white areas around the image. Press apply. If you notice some wanted areas that are removed, click the green positive button and pick those areas. Press apply to see the result. Repeat the above process to create the best result. Once you are happy with the result, click Save your photo. Change the file extension to PNG instead of JPG. Deleted the earlier inserted image. Upload the PNG image into Canva. Insert the PNG image. Now you get a beautifully designed artwork. When you are happy with the design, unlock the circle outline and resize it to 44mm diameter. You can download for printing now.